Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Indian Curry Recipes. Today we'll be doing what's happening behind the scenes. So join me together. That's my little cupboard on top of my hob. All masalas, powders, whole spices. Something which is within my reach and easy. I've labeled some because my husband cooks as well sometimes. Ooh, the sound of fried chicken. Soaking in warm water is better. Any pulses? So we soak it in advance. Hi! Cheers! Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to Indian Curry Recipes for more updates and new recipes. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your support and love. Bye.